Denise, we are back. Feels really good to be back, actually.
Man, it's nice to be back. And guess what? We're only 28 days away from Pizza and Pasta Northeast.
And we also have an amazing new intro. So from our new art director, Katie. So let's just roll that right now. Welcome to the first episode of the Pizza and Pasta Update Show. I am Josh Cowan.
And I'm Denise Greer.
The Pizza and Pasta Show is going down September 25th and 26th at the Atlantic City Convention Center.
And we have more than 30 seminars, workshops, and demonstration, plus hundreds of exhibitors for you to check out.
And of course, we have the USA Caputo Cup and Northeast Pasta Showdown. We have a jam-packed 2 days.
Josh, I'm particularly excited about our workshop lineup this year.
Right, the workshops kick off on Wednesday at 9 a.m. with Michael Shepard's third-party delivery workshop. One of the hottest industry topics right now is third-party delivery. In this workshop, he'll examine the cost, startup requirements, and best practices.
So also Wednesday morning, the 2017 Caputo Cup champ, Will Grant, he's debuting his Slice House 101 workshop. This course is a step-by-step guide to create and execute a profitable slice house.
If you're looking to up your style game, you will not want to miss Tony G's workshop Wednesday at 4 p.m. making doughs, pizzas, and sauce. Tony will show you the ins and outs of various pizza styles. Learn how to make dough, sauce, starters for Neapolitan, New York, Sicilian, and Grandma pizzas.
Michael Shepard is back on Thursday with his Proven Restaurant Systems workshop. In this step-by-step systemization session, Mike will walk operators through the processes necessary to get on the right track.
One of the biggest headaches of any operation is employee scheduling. Thankfully, Hasi Sadri is here to help with his employee scheduling workshop. In this workshop, Hasi Sadri will show attendees how to make the schedule work for their pizzeria. That was a quick look at the workshops. If you'd like to sign up for one of those, head on over to pizzaandpastaexpo.com.
Also, if you haven't registered for the show, we have a super secret discount code.
Super secret, guys. Just between us.
Yeah. So it's be there, one word.
Katie, if you don't mind just writing be there, that's the discount code. Go to pizzaandpastaexpo.com and you'll get in for $5. That's it for this week's episode. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back next week with some fresh pizza and pasta updates.
Until next week.
Denise, we are back.
Oh man, it's good to be back.
It's good to see you again.
Absolutely.
It's been a minute. It's been a minute, right?
A little while. In addition to 100.
We were so close. One of the hottest industry topics right now is third-party delivery. Third-party delivery.
Third-party delivery.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, Penny, what you're going to have to do to edit.